What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I got more clearance items, but this time it is Family Dollar versus Dollar General. We're gonna be looking at some of their clearance items, some of their coupon items, while other people are probably talking about this week coming up deals. I'm still talking about clearance items because I love clearance items, and who doesn't love clearance items? Plus, I mean, you save more. So we're gonna be talking about clearance, and I found some new clearance items at Dollar General. Y'all, I was shocked. I had to scan them like 2 times just to make sure it was the right price. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. And if you are watching and not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free. Plus, in a couple more days, I will be doing a giveaway for two, not one, but two $50 gift cards. And if you not subscribed, you could be missing your chance to win. But let's get into these clearance deals at Dollar General. Okay, y'all, here are the first couple of items I got from Dollar General, and some of them you may seen in yesterday's video, but some of them you may not, because I found these 90 load Downy fabric softeners, y'all. $3.70. Tell me why I cleared the shelf. I had to, y'all. Usually I don't, but I had to on this one because they was just sitting there for $3.70, and the original price was like $7 and something. These are the 90 low downies, and I will be giving y'all the UPC so y'all can plug it in on y'all Dollar General app to see if y'all have any of these, because I'm pretty sure I have not seen nobody with these Downy fabric softeners. And like I'm saying, they put so much stuff on clearance that we don't know everything that's on clearance. It ain't like the workers is telling us. We are finding this out by picking up items and scanning them. And that's what I do when I'm in stores. So I might look up on new clearance items. Now, the next items will be these twin pack Degree Ultra Clear deodorants, and they are 1.7 ounces. They were $2.93. Then I got another Degree Whole Body. It was $4.05. Then I found some of these Right Guards. They are 3 ounce men's deodorants. They are $1.45. Then I found a Glade wax warmer. It was in the store, y'all, on the top shelf over by the flowers and candles and stuff. So, like I said, look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because stuff just be scattered throughout the store, and you could be missing your chance to get something at a great price. Now, this Glade warmer was $4.85. Original price was like $9 and something. Then got a couple more of the soft soaps. They were $1.33. So there is the clearance items I got. Now I'm gonna show y'all the items I got with coupons. Okay, y'all, here is my second Dollar General transaction. I do have a clearance item in this as well, but the deal I was doing was to spend 30, get 10 back off your next shopping trip, and I did get that $10 back for these items. All of these are PNG. So I started off with the 14 count flings. They were 4 for $12. Then on this game, rinse and renew, and this is 48 ounces. Y'all, this was on clearance for $4.85, and I will be giving y'all the UPC to that so y'all can plug it in and see if y'all have some of these. But like I said, the app is not 100% accurate, so your best bet will be to go in the store and see for yourself. Then I got a Gain 61 loads. It was $9.95. We have $2 coming off, making it $7.95. Then they have some new Mr. Cleans out. This specific one is Ocean with Febreze. And they have one just like this. It's called Watermelon. But I got this one. It was $4. We had $1 off, making it $3. Then on the Febreze air fresheners, they were $3.50 each, totaling $7. We had a $3.50 coupon, making them $3.50. So basically, buy one get one free. Then on the Dawn power washes, they were $5 each, totaling 10. We have $4 coming off, making them $6 or $3 each. And with this transaction, that's how I achieved getting that $10 coupon back. Now that is the end of Dollar General. Now we're gonna be taking a look at Family Dollar's clearance items and a couponing deal I did in there. So get your snack and stay tuned for the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is some clearance finds at Family Dollar. I know it's not much, but hey, they could have more items that we don't know about. So, that's why you should stay tuned to the channel, because if I find out, you find out. No gatekeeping over here. But I did get one of these scrubbing bubbles. It was $2.47. They had some Aqua Fresh toothpaste, the cavity protection, for $1.47. They had Crest Extra Whitening for $2.97. The Scrubbing Bubbles Bathroom Fighter, well, Grime Fighter, and it's the Berry Burst. It has the little berries at the bottom, and it was $1.97. And OxyClean 3-in-1 Deep Clean for $1.97. And I did find another OxyClean, but y'all, I wasn't even paying attention. So when I got up to the register and was handing the stuff over to the cashier, one of the bottles was half empty. I was like, oh no. So I did not get that one, but I did find 3. But like I said, it was half empty. So here's the items from Family Dollars that I got on clearance. Now I will be showing y'all some items that I got couponing. Plus, y'all, Family Dollar, they are a mess. The other night I went, I had did a deal, the Unilever deal, where you spend 15 on Unilever, which is Dove products, Vaseline, Axe body wash, stuff like that. I woke up, looked at my app, they did give me the $5 off. I was like, okay, cool. So when I went to the store, the coupon was magically gone. Like, where did my $5 go at? So I don't know. I'm going to check the app to see if it comes back. If not, I will be giving them a call, because they are always trying to weasel their way out of something. It's like the second time this didn't happen. Like the first time, they didn't give me the coupon at all. And then the second time, they gave it to me and then took it away. So I don't know what's going on with Family Dollar. It's always something. But let's get into this next coupon and purchase. Okay, y'all, here is a coupon deal I did at Family Dollar. So the coupon is save 5 when you spend 20 on these type of gain items, are either the happy ones. Then the big gain had a $3 off as well. And I got my 5 off of 25 off with this transaction too. So everything stacked accordingly. So the gain was $17.50. We had $3 coming off, making it $14.50. The Gain fabric softener was $10. No, well, it was part of the buy 20, save 5, so it was 10. Then on the Gain Relax, it was, the Gain Relax 61 lows, it was 10.50. The $5 came off of that one, making it just $5.50. Then on the small spaces, I picked up two of those. They were $3.50 each, totaling $7. We had $3.50 coming off of these, making them $3.50. Basically, buy one get one free. Then on the power wash refills, they were $4 each, totaling 8. We had $4 coming off, making both of these $4, $2 each are basically buy one get one free. So the total for all of these items was $32.50, making each item $4.64 each, y'all. So, which store this week do y'all think had the best coupons or and our deals or whatever? And let me know in the comments if y'all plan on going to a Dollar General's clearance event. Did y'all get anything? And yeah, it is almost over that quick. So I'm gonna try to go tomorrow and see if I can find last minute items at Dollar General. And make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications, because no telling what type of video I will be dropping. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.